Now, moving on to what the Alianza has been doing, the Bajacaliforniasur Community Alliance. They have been working for almost a month now. And just this past weekend, they issued a very, very interesting and impressive report where they announced that in the last 4 weeks and until April the 30th, they had delivered a total of 12,941 food and basic needs baskets, what is commonly known as a despensa. Of those, almost 13,000 despensas, close to 6,000, well, no, more than 6,630 despensas were delivered in the municipality of La Paz, and 6,311 were delivered in the municipality of Los Cabos. Something that is also important to know is that the Alianza is really covering the entire state, especially now with the incorporation of the work being conducted by the Citizens Watch Network, ROC for its acronym in Spanish, who joined the Alianza, and they have been delivering despensas to Espiritu Santo and San Jose Islands, as well as to other smaller nearby islands in areas, and also in areas north of La Paz. Also, currently they have a registry of 30,738 homes to receive aid regarding food throughout the state, and most of those homes registered are in the municipality of Los Cabos, where there are 15,193 families that need some sort of food support, and that is what the Alianza continues to work on. Also, in regards of medical supplies, they announced that they delivered medical supplies for an amount worth of 1,124,906 pesos. And they did this to 12 different medical institutions, including the Secretary of Health for the state of Baja California Sur, the Red Crosses in Los Cabos and in La Paz, and also the IMSS clinics, one in La Paz, which is actually the clinic number one in La Paz, also clinic number 26 in cabosanlucas, and clinic number 38 in sanjosedelcabo. This week, the Alianza has been working in a program that is really, really a way to support somebody, even if you don't have the time or the opportunity to go out and volunteer. And what they're inviting the members of our community to do is to sponsor a family, to adopt a family. The Alianza has worked with the suppliers for the basic needs that go into the despensas, and all you have to do is register in the Alianza website, which is acbcs.org.mx/family. And there you can register to sponsor or adopt a family. And a family is 4 people, and your donation will feed them for 2 weeks or a month, depending on the amount that you donate. The amount that you can donate is 450 pesos for a family of 4 to have enough food for 2 weeks. 450 pesos or $20. And if you want to sponsor a family for 1 month, is 900 pesos, again, to feed a family of 4 for 1 month. It's 900 pesos, or in dollars, $40. And all you have to do is visit acbcs.org.mx/family. If you didn't catch that, you can go and visit the Facebook page for cabomilnews. We will post this information so that you can, if you find it in your heart to help one of these families. Currently, there are close to 40,000 families that need some sort of food aid. And if you can find it in your heart to help them, all you have to do is register. Like I said, a family of 4 will have food in their table for 2 weeks for 450 pesos or $20, or for a for 900 pesos or $40. And that is so easy to do, and it will give so much to one of these families that, as we know, because of this current situation, the parents are out of work. We don't know when they're going to be starting to earn an income to put food on their table. So in the meantime, if we can support them, let's do it by just going to the Alianza website and helping them. 450 pesos for a family of 4 for 2 weeks, or 900 pesos for a family of 4 for a month. Good afternoon. Welcome to today's news. I am sitting in for Korey. Very happy to be here. And I have some news for you. Something that is very important for everybody to be aware of is the fact that part of the municipal government efforts to reduce the infection curve, as well as saturating the hospitals of Los Cabos, is something that they decided to implement starting this week, which is for businesses to close at 8 p.m. Eric Santillán Castillo, Municipal Director of Civil Protection, announced that Civil Protection has been visiting various commercial establishments to inform that as of this week, all stores need to close at 8 p.m. This, he said, is because of an increase of COVID-19 patients that is expected to take place in the next 2 weeks. He also explained that starting on May 4, Civil Protection personnel have been visiting local grocery stores and convenience stores, among others, to inform of this new decree regarding open hours that was issued by the General Secretariat of the Government for the State of Baja Californiasur, which states that all businesses need to be closed at 8 p.m. for the next 2 weeks. Santillán Castillo, who is the Director of Civil Protection for the municipality of Los Cabos, said that so far, Civil Protection has visited 120 local establishments in Los Cabos to notify them of the restriction in open hours that is already in effect and will continue for the next 2 weeks. The Director of Civil Protection mentioned that only pharmacies may remain open after 8 p.m. at night, and he pointed out that all those businesses that fail to comply with these restrictions may be receiving economic sanctions and even closings, or they might have to go and do some community work. So those are something that is very important for you to know, because if you're going to be shopping for food or for groceries or anything, make sure that you get all your shopping done before 8 p.m. because most likely after 8 p.m. you won't be able to find anything open. And this also is to deter people from going out at night. So businesses are closed and we really have no business being out on the streets after 8 p.m. That's what I have for you today, and I will turn it back to the experts with the news in Spanish. Gracias.